Welcome back, Lucid Humans. So let me guide you through this herbal medicine planting we've been doing. This is my friend and a Lucid Human partner, Zinnia, waving hello. So here we've got some German chamomile, and they're really small seeds. They're a light color, and you just gently tap them in. Chamomile's really good tea for helping you sleep, helping calm down. In here we have hibiscus. This seed is larger, and you actually have to scar it using like a sandpaper rough material before you plant it. We've got peppermint here that prefers a sandy soil. Really yummy tea for indigestion, stomach problems. In all these little individual cups, we've got sunflower seeds. Over here we have yarrow, which is a great medicinal herb. It can be made into teas. We have Tulsi, which is also known as holy basil.
It's an adaptogen. Helps with stress.
Ooh. We know we got a lot of stress going on. This is one of my favorites right here, stinging nettles. This tea is tasty, medicinal. It's a really cool plant, but watch out. It's called stinging nettles for a reason. And the opposite of stinging nettles, we've got self-heal right here. This is a medicinal plant that helps you if you get cut or injured. It will basically be like nature's band-aid. So welcome, new plant life. Welcome, friends. And if you like this video, have questions, please like and comment. And you can always check out more information at lucidhuman.com. And what herbs do you guys want to know about? So just comment below questions you have or things you want to know. Is there a plant remedy for that? Right now is the perfect time to be learning about nature's medicine. So give us a comment, give us a subscribe, let us know what you think. Join the community. So long.